Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I want to show you how to solve this problem. Yes, so in this exercise, we know that square root of 8 plus square root of negative 8 equal to 1. And we need to find 8 to the power 6. Okay, so how about 8 power 6? So in this video, I want to show this exercise using two different methods for all of you. And if you have another method, feel free to comment below. Yeah. So right now we start with the first method. Yeah. First method. Okay. In the first method, I want to show the by if we have square root of 8 plus square root of negative 8 equal to 1, then the square root of negative 8 we can write to the square root of 8 times negative 1 and equal to 1. Yes. Then we can write to the square root of 8 times the square root of negative 1 equal to 1. So in the complex number, we know that the square root of negative 1 is equal to I. Yes, so right now we can replace the square root of negative 1 to I. Yes, so we can write to square root of A plus square root of A times I equal to 1. Yes, so now we can factor of the square root of A. Yeah, we can factor it. So the square root of A times 1 plus I equal to 1. So if we imply the square root of x is equal to 1 over 1 plus I, then x is equal to the square of 1 over I, okay, over 1 plus I. Okay, so we can write to x is equal 1 over 1 plus I square. Okay, so 1 plus I square is a binomial expansion. So it's equal to 1 plus 2I plus I square. Okay, so right now we can write 2x equal to 1 over 1 plus 2I equal to I square. So I square is equal to negative 1. Yeah, then we write 1 over 1 plus 2I minus 1. Yes, so we can simplify 1 and negative 1 because 1 and negative 1 is equal to 0. So then x equal to 1 over 2I. So we want to know the value of x power 6. So right now we can raise both sides to the 6th power. So it's gonna be to power 6 equal to the 6th power of 1 over 2I. Okay. So 8 power 6 equal to 1 power 6 over 2I power 6. Okay, so we can write to 2 power 6 times I power 6. Yeah, you know that I power 6 is equal to I square power 3. So I square is equal to -1. So we can write -1 power 3. Yeah, it write to -1 times -1 times -1. So it's equal to -1. So I power 6 is equal to -1. So we can write 1 over 2 power 6 times -1. Yeah. 2 power 6 is equal to 64. Yeah. So 8 power 6 is equal to the negative of 1 over 64. Yeah. This is the value of 8 power 6 is equal to the negative of 1 over 64. So right now we can check the second method. Yeah. For the second method, if we have the square root of x plus the square root of negative x equal to 1, we can erase both sides. With we can write like that: square root of x plus the square root of x times I and equal to 1. Right now I want to raise both sides to the power of 2. Yes, so we can write 2 plus square root of x times I square. Yeah, equal to 1 square. Yeah, this is a binomial expansion. So we can write 2 the square root of x square plus 2 the square root of x times I plus the square root of x times I square and equal to 1. So the square root of x square is equal to x plus 2 times square root of x times I plus x times I square and equal to 1. Okay, you know that I square is equal to -1. So right now we can write 2x plus 2 square root of x I minus x then equal to 1. So when we simplify the equation, it's gonna be uh oh sorry. But in this way, it's not it become I forget to write the square root of x. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Yes. So the square root of x times the square root of x is equal to x. Yes, so right now we can write 2 times x times I. Yes, so when we simplify this equation, we can cancel x and the negative of x. So the equation is gonna be 2 I equal to 1. Yes, so you know that we want to know the value of x power 6. So right now we can raise both sides to the power of 6. You can write like that, to the power of 6. Yes. So 2 power 6 times x power 6 times I power 6 is equal to 1. So we imply x power 6 is equal to 1 over 2 power 6 times I power 6. Yes, in the form method, we know that I power 6 is equal to -1. Okay, so Right now, x power 6 is equal to 1 over negative 1 times 2 power 6. And yes, and 2 power 6 equal to 64. You can write 1 over negative 1 times 64. Yeah. So 8 power 6 is equal to negative 1 over 64. Yeah. The first method and the second method, it has the same answer. So 8 power 6 is equal to the negative of 1 over 64. Okay, thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, like, and share, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.